Blessed Divine Creator within, I come to you today with an open heart and open mind. I come to you today to know what is the truth of me. I come to you today to experience that which I am in the fullness of my divinity. I come to you today, blessed light of all lights, to know my path, to know how I serve, to know who and what I am in truth. I come to you with open arms to acknowledge my gifts and my talents, to acknowledge the knowingness that lives within me, that knows all things. I come to you today as I am ready to receive divine Shaktipat, divine grace, divine blessings. From all of creation. And I open up my channels for downloading that which I need each and every day to fulfill my destiny, my heart's desires. Thank you for the healing. Thank you for the blessings upon my body, upon my brain, upon my mind. And thank you for the support in clearing away all blocks in consciousness, all blocks in my body. For I choose to be free, to be sovereign, to be whole, and to be at one with your grace and divinity. And so it is. Amen.